Are you tired of cleaning your bathrooms every day? Are you searching for the best toilet shield to protect your bathrooms from getting messed up by your kids without having to break the bank? Well, if so, you've just found the right toilet shield for your bathrooms. Introducing the Splatter Shield, a unique toilet shield designed to reduce the stress of cleaning your bathrooms daily. We have the best selection of toilet shields in the US, and we've been making life easier for parents and grandparents alike. All of our Splatter Shields have a unique feature of being convenient and durable and hygienic to use, and having an egg shape that funnels the misfires into the bowl where it belongs, and preventing splatters, and it is especially great for parents with autistic children. We guarantee to provide the best possible service coupled with the fastest delivery nationwide. And as long as they keep making toilets, well, we'll keep making the Splatter Shield. Made in the USA and always will be.